Muy buenas noches para todos. El siguiente video es parte de la tarea 4 del curso Inglés 3. Comencemos. Good night everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hans Bernal and I'm a student of the Electronic Engineering program attached to the Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia UNAD, SEAD Barranquilla, and the following video is made as part of task 4 corresponding to the speaking activity. The purpose of this video is to explain the reason why the Shell company was chosen as the option for carrying out the written task. The Shell company was selected for having the disgraceful title of being one of the most polluting companies in the world in regard to the emission of gases that increase the greenhouse effect, and thus contributing to improving the phenomenon known as climate change. The Shell company is more than one occasion it has been pointed out to be together with other companies responsible for large emission of greenhouse gases that recent years have increased the dramatic climate change worldwide, as the increase in the level of the ocean due to the melting of the polar caps and countless other damage. In the letter made to the company was proposed to completely abandon its operation with fossil fuels, since these were the cause of the environmental problems posed in the letter sent to them. At the same time, they were urged to start investing in clean, environmentally friendly energies and help to promote its use more and more, thus helping to reduce the environmental impact produced by fossil fuels. The letter sent to the company directors emphasized the commitment that all large multinationals must with the care of the environment and the efforts that they must make to ensure that environmental status are complete with. As thus was broadly stated, thanks for the attention given. Good night for all.